Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa, and in today's vlog, you're coming with me to London. Yes, London. That's right. But right now, I'm a little like in the future, so we're gonna go back in time because it has been like 2 weeks since I went to London. So let's start.
Okay.
So it's 5:55 a.m. on a Friday, and today we're going to London. I have to finish my bag because I'm bringing my backpack and not my suitcase, because we can't bring our suitcases with us in the airplane. I don't know why, but oh, and I'm speaking in English to improve it, so if I can't say some words right, don't mind me, okay? So right now I have to put my last fang, oh my goodness, my last fangs in the backpack. So I got dressed before putting my last fangs on my backpack because I had to put my pyjama. So right now I'm going to do my necessary. This is my outfit. I need to hurry up because my dad is going to come pick us up at 6:20 and it's 6:14. So in here I put my book, the Hunger Games book, and this is my travel diary. So my dad arrived and we're going to London. So here's my dad and here's my sister. We arrived. It's 7:20 and we're going to do the check-in. We're outside the airplane, and I didn't show the inside of the airport because it was a bit difficult to make a video. So right now we're going into the airplane.
Attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration.
My sister brought with her jacket because we can't just go to London and don't buy a jacket then. So this is her jacket. It's not London, but I don't know where it is, and we're going to Stratford and then our hotel with the bus. Now I'm going to put my phone in my backpack. So we're going to take the bus and then we're going to the hotel, so I'm going to meet you guys there in the hotel. Oxford Street because we're going to the Selfridges shopping. I forgot to show it to you the hotel, but I'm going to show it to you when we are going back. I was at Jellycat. I bought 2 Jellycats that I'm going to show it to you when I'm coming back to the hotel. And I found the Reese's cup advent calendar. I want to buy it, but I don't know. everyone is sleeping now, and I'm going to sleep too because today was a long day, and my sister is trying to sleep, but I'm talking too much, so I have to go to sleep. But right now I'm writing my journal. Tomorrow we are going to the Harry Potter's backstage. I don't know what it's called because I'm not a fan of Harry Potter's, but my sister is, so we're going basically for her, but it's actually fun for us too. So my dad is sleeping, and now I'm going to write my journal and then go to sleep. Today was a fun day. We went to Selfridges where we bought our Jellycats. I bought this one.
Huh?
Good morning. It's 8 a.m. and we're going to the Harry Potter's event. I don't know how it's called, but yeah, we're going to take the metro. We're in the bus. So we arrived, and I slept for mostly all the time on the bus, and we have our tickets. So my sister is very excited. I'm also excited. So. Dragon is really huge, like it's beautiful. So before we go to the tour, we're eating some breakfast, and for breakfast I have Slytherin something. It's a brownie, and my sister has this here. My dad has a butterbeer cookie, and I have this. You can see the scripts over here. I'm gonna show you.
Yes, they're going to be doing their parades. First one is going to be outside the Great Hall. Once you come out the Great Hall around the corner, that is the first parade. That is on the hour and 1/2 the hour.
oh sorry. Next time I see this here, I got a stamp here. You can't see it, but here there's a stamp. So we did the broom thing. It's a green screen and you are in the broom and then you do the things that they ask you to. So the house is so beautiful. You can see every detail, everything. Now we are on the bus. Huh? Now we're going here.
Everyone, if you're queuing up the greenhouse, can you just come and line up down the building here for me? Thanks very much.
No, no, no.
Oh, sorry, not the one we were studying for.
They were so cute. Now we're outside and we're going to the car and then we continue the tour because we have like 1 hour and a half to continue and then we have to get back to the bus. burger because I ate a burger. It was good. It was a pretzel burger with barbecue sauce, lettuce, tomato, and chicken. It was good.
There's a big
You can get a new phone too.
The chocolate dog.
A new phone phone exchange.
The chocolate dog.
Are shaping with the look of your
I want to say how it is.
Forse attenzione.
It's huge.
Poi non sono fu.
It's huge. È gigante. È gigante, puoi vedere? Oddio. No, magari in centro.
È tutto cioccolato.
Hey Jada, if you
Tutto pieno.
No, magari in centro. So it's currently 9:40. I'm sorry if I didn't film so much, but we went to the Big Bang and the Tower Bridge. I'm tired. I'm going to brush my teeth. We're gonna see each other tomorrow. Bye bye. Good night. So we woke up at 8 and now we're at Dunkin' Donuts buying some donuts. Yay!
12 donuts.
No, l'avevo chiesto prima io, Sofia. Sofia. Now we're going to see the change of guards, and then we're going to the Wax Museum. I don't know how it's called. Madame Tussauds, something called like that. So now we are going to take the metro. Yeah. Oh, the bus. Oh, look at the bus. Yay! So the change of guards was like so beautiful. At one point, there were like the horses with the guards, the police, and one horse came to us, came like in front of me, and then like in front of the others to communicate us like there are pickpockets, so pay attention and other things. Now we're going to the Madame Tussauds museum to see the statues. Before coming here, we went to Shake Shack to eat something, and it was so delicious. But the how can I say, the chips, the fries, the French fries were so cheesy because we decided to take them with cheese. It was good, yeah, but it wasn't too much cheese. We're in, I don't know what it is. Now we're going to the Marvel section. Oh, I didn't see you. I'm sorry. Nick Fury. Hulk. Rest in peace. And then there's Groot and Rocket. Fish. Sophia.
Find the gap between a train and a platform. This is
Wow, look at that donut. They're doing a mummy one. We're in London.
Marshmallow.
That is a crazy. Yeah? Oh, those are creepy. We went to.
Down, down.
Today is the last day of London, so I don't know what we're going to do, but we woke up at 9:15, so yeah, now we're preparing our bags, and I don't know what we're gonna do next. We are now in Hyde Park Corner, and like it's full of squirrels. I gave so many squirrels like peanuts, and they like came to my hand. Also, a bird came down and took my peanut from my hand. It was so cute. I think now we're going to, oh my god, going to eat, and then, oh my goodness, wait. We're going back to the airport. I'm tired. We're on the bus. I'm so sorry. I apologize for y'all, but on the way back to Italy, my phone died, so I couldn't like show you the airplane, because also I was studying for the test that I will do like the day after. It was an experience like really good, and I liked it very much. And I hope you liked my video, and make sure you follow me, like this video, and also hit the notification button, because I'm going to post more about also my exchange year. So be alert, and see you next time. Bye.